Hello, I'm Ashraf Baudin Mubarak. In this video, I will discuss Chapter 24, Influencing by Persuasion. Previously, we learned about influencing by argument and how logical reasoning forms the backbone of public speaking. Now, we will explore how persuasion adds emotional and personal elements to influence an audience effectively. Let's dive into the chapter to understand how persuasion combines logic and emotion to drive action. The definition of persuasion. Persuasion is the ability to influence others through communication that combines logic and emotion. It is not just about presenting facts or opinions, but creating a connection with your audience so that they feel compelled to act. This balance of reason and emotion is what makes persuasion a powerful tool in public speaking. And then, the purpose of persuasion. The goal of persuasion goes beyond changing someone's thoughts or opinions. It is about inspiring them to take actions. A persuasive speech aims to address the audience's needs and priorities, motivating them to act in a way that aligns with the speaker's objectives. This is why persuasion is central to effective communication. And then, the methods of persuasion. First, appeal to noble motives. This method involves inspiring the audience through values like justice, freedom, and morality. For example, historical leaders have often used such appeals to motivate people to fight for independence or support noble causes. Second, facts and experience. This approach relies on using credible evidence and examples from history or real-life situations. By grounding arguments in facts, speakers can build trust and strengthen their message. Third, personal interest. Connecting the message to what the audience values personally, such as their family, well-being, or community, makes it more relatable. When the audience feels the topic impacts them directly, they are more likely to respond. And last, sincerity and emotion. A speaker's passion and authenticity can deeply move an audience. When the speaker truly believes in their message and conveys it emotionally, it resonates more powerfully than mere logic. And next, understanding the audience. Understanding your audience is critical to successful persuasion. This means knowing their values, priorities, and what motivates them. Tailoring your message to align with these factors increases its impact. Failing to understand your audience can lead to a disconnect, making your persuasion ineffective. And then, key principles of persuasion. Concrete examples, specific stories or cases are more compelling than abstract concepts. They make the message easier to understand and more relatable. Brevity. Keeping the message concise ensures you hold your audience's attention and avoid overwhelming them with unnecessary details. Avoiding confrontation. A respectful tone builds trust and engagement, while confrontation risks alienating your audience. Lastly, persuasion in practice. Persuasion is not only about influencing thoughts, but also about driving actions. Whether convincing people to support a cause, vote for a candidate, or make a purchase, effective persuasion adapts techniques to the situation and audience. By combining logic, emotion, and connections, speakers can achieve their desired outcomes. So in conclusion, influencing by persuasion shows us how emotional and personal connection combined with logic are essential in inspiring action. By understanding the audience, using concrete examples, and delivering a sincere message, persuasion becomes a powerful tool in public speaking. So, thank you for watching, and I hope this explanation has been helpful. Next, we will explore influencing the crowd, which focuses on techniques for addressing larger audience. So, stay tuned.